Hey, and welcome back. And now we are doing the final two chapters. I don't know if this video will be one single chapter or if we're going to do both chapters in this video. I'm debating doing shorter videos, like maybe 10 minutes, to be like, this is the chapter that we're doing, or this is the idea that we're doing, instead of follow along for 30 minutes. And I did see your poll results. Thank you everybody who voted. So after we get done with these two final chapters, we're going to jump right into beta. So that'll be, what are the weaknesses, and then we start with the actual edits. Super easy, super fun. It'll be good. This book's almost done. So, yeah, thank you so much for being here. Again, this is, the little rom-com. It's a cute little novella, grumpy sunshine, lots of fun tropes. We've had forced proximity, we've had little disasters. It's been good. So in the final two chapters, going to have happen. This is going to set us up. Claude is going to do its thing. It's been a little slow today. It's 5 a.m. right now. I've been up since 2, so yeah. Let's cut back on the community approval. That just feels a little over the top. Yeah, exactly. Alright, so we are getting a low on the actual little thread. See how there's not a whole lot? We're pretty near the end. So yeah, what we're going to do is have it write chapter 15, chapter 16, and then we're going to put those two into the project knowledge, and then from there, what we're going to be doing is actually editing in other threads, just because I don't want to run out of room here. I'm going to see if it can do both of them like this. Normally I don't ask for them like this. I'm like, can you do chapter 15? But let's see if it can do both. And while it's doing that, I'm going to go ahead and refresh myself on where we were in 14. Okay, good, good, good. Alright, that's cute. Okay, that's nice that it's giving me that. I'm going to keep, okay, so I gotta keep it open. Alright, cool. I would be really surprised if these needed no edits, but we're still gonna look through them. Because I assume everything needs edits. It's gonna be cute. It's not gonna be like a hardcore edits, even when we get to the beta stage. just because it's a novella. It's a contemporary cute novella. So we're not dealing with like a magic system that went haywire. We're not dealing with political intrigue or, spies or anything like that. It's a cute, fun little story. We also need to talk about pen names. Oh my god, that will be my 12th pen name, but that'll be okay. And then this pen name will be just books that I show here. So, it might be a hard sci-fi pen name that has rom-coms in it. I don't know. But you've all been wanting to see the final product, and yeah, you've been with me this long, so let's go ahead and make a pen name that's just for the books that I show you here. It'll be fun. Alright. Alright, so let's look here. I'm going to copy this link. This is chapter 15. Please give me an artifact for it. Post it right there, asking for an artifact. Even though it came from an artifact here, we need it to become an artifact here. Thank you. Alright, so we're 2 weeks in. That's nice. Should we really be jumping that much time? Stop doing that. So I'm just asking, do we really need to jump that? Because I don't feel like we really need to. And yeah, it's rushing it. Is it really called The Hillside? Or did we never name it? Okay, are you done? Oh my god. Okay, yeah, I know you made several key element changes. Okay. It's a little short. Characters and locations. There we go. That's going to do that. I'm going to plop that in just so we can keep everything organized. I'm sure that we've had one of those, but it's good to get one kind of in the beginning and then also kind of toward the end so that we can see, that we're not missing anybody. And also so that we haven't like double named somebody. Alright, copy to project, that looks good. Alright, so yeah. We're not doing that. I'm not doing a POV switch. Alright, so let's take a look here. Alright, it's going, it's going, it's going. Oh, you're making a lot of changes. Okay. As long as they all made sense. Okay. Let's cut. It's not enhanced, because if I say cut, then I'll take them out completely. It's not enhanced the townspeople. They're fine as they are. And we're not doing the misunderstanding, because this is the second to last chapter. It's wrapping up. Okay. So that's going to do its thing. Then we'll have chapter 15 done. And then we'll just have chapter 16 left. So super easy, super fun. Yeah, I'm excited for this one to be done. I think it's going to be really cute. I can't wait for you all to see the final. So I'm just going to let it do its thing, and then I'll probably do one more edit pass on this one just before we call this one good for the first draft. And just look for repetition. Yeah, other than that, this chapter is going to be good to go. So, really happy with that. And also really happy that we decided to do a new thread for this chapter. Just because I didn't want us to run out of room when we were doing all of this, and we were having some nice progression in this thread. So I'll bring in the next chapter, chapter 16, as soon as we finish with this one. Send that. Okay. It's going to go ahead and fix the repetition, and then we're just going to throw it into the project. And then we'll bring in chapter 16. But thank you all for being here. Can't wait to show this one to you. And new videos soon. Alright, talk to you all soon. Thanks again.